What's up, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a team in Monday.com. So, if you have to create a specific team for a specific task, this is the thing that you need to do. So, the first thing you have to do is you have to click here on your avatar and go here to Teams, and you have to click here on New Team. And for example, if I want to create a team that is only uh, used for Instagram work, to enhance your profile, to post reels, and to do SEO. So I've created a team for Instagram, and here I can add members to it. For example, these are the members that I've added. So I'm going to click create. It's going to take some time. Here you go. So that's how you actually create a team. I've created my team right here of Instagram, and it contains 3 members. What you can do with these teams, you can assign them to different projects that you're working on. So that's how you assign a team. For example, if I have this Instagram stuff, I'm going to assign the team right here, and then we'll be good to go. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.